Hello friends. In this video, we will try to discuss one of the Pyspark interview question. The ask from the interviewer is list all available data frames. Okay, so this is the first ask. Second ask is get the file name as new column. So he want me to take the file name into one new column. So this is the ask. So we will try to see practically these two scenarios. So first of all, we will try to see how to list all the available data frames. Okay. So for this, there is one built-in function called data frame in Pyspark. Using that, we are going to handle this. So let's try to import that first from pyspark.sql import data frame. Okay, so right now then we will try to see how to print it all the available data frame. So for that I'm going to take key for key comma value in globals. So there is a function called globals dot items. Okay, if is instance of variable value comma data frame. Okay, now we will try to discuss how this is going to help us. So we mentioned globals function, right? So what this does, so basically this globals will hold the all information about the program, means all the names, methods, classes and all those and etc. So all type of information about the program, it will hold it in a form of key value pairs. Okay, and we specified each instance. Each instance function, what it does, it will hold the two parameters. One is object, one is type. So object which we are mentioning value and type which we are mentioning data frame. So if it is exist data frame value data frames, then I am asking to return the data frames list using this, using globals as well as the using instance followed by data frame function and the globals function. Okay, we'll try to run and see whether we are going to fetch the required outcome or not. See, we are getting df1 and df2, so three dfs, because in this is the active session which latest which I used it, df df1 and df2. Okay, so it has written these are the three active data frames in this particular session. Okay, so this is how by using globals and each instance we can achieve it. So we are done for the first scenario. Now the second scenario is get the file name as new column. Okay, for this, first of all I will try to print what are the files exist under the file system. So fs ls, let's say file store comma tables. So we'll try to hit and run. Okay, so we do have CSV, we do have Parquet. So we will try to see for either Parquet or CSV. We'll try to get this file name under one particular column. So for this, we do have a built-in function called input file name. Okay, so that is under Spark SQL functions. So by using that, we will try to get that file name under new column. So we'll try to see how to achieve this. So first of all, we'll try to get the required library from pyspark.sql.functions. Import input file name. Okay, so this is a built-in function which helps us to achieve the file name as a new column. So we'll try to read one CSV file. In order to get it, work dot read dot CSV. So where do we, under file store, we do have the CSV and parquets, right? File store tables dot CSV. Okay, now let's mark it header also true. Okay, now we will try to create a new column as per the ask df dot with column. So the column name, let's say file name. Okay, now we will directly, we are taking the function input file name. Okay, we are taking directly function input file name. Now we will try to run and see whether are we going to get the expected outcome or not. Okay, there is something wrong with column file name comma input file. Okay, so we need to declare. Okay, now try to run and see the file which we read implies we do have one CSV employee data CSV, so it is written under new column, the file name written under the new column. So this is the expected ask. So now we have seen the both the ask from the interview list of available data frames as well as get the file name as a new column. Okay, both are done. Okay, so that's all for today's guys. If you really like this video, please do subscribe it, like it and share it and do the comment.